In a dramatic moment during the second day of the Boxing Day test in Melbourne, a pitch invader managed to disrupt play. But this wasn't just any random fan. This was a man with a message. The invader, a man named Wayne Johnson, approached Indian cricket star Virat Kohli before being swiftly escorted off the field. But this wasn't the first time Johnson made headlines in the world of sport. Back in October, during the 2023 ICC Men's World Cup final between India and Australia, Johnson made a similar appearance in Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. As Kohli was in the middle of his innings, this man stormed onto the field, another chance to grab attention and deliver his message. Johnson, a Filipino-Australian activist, has made a name for himself by using these high-profile moments to spread his messages. From advocating for free Palestine to supporting free Ukraine and LGBTQIA+ rights, his mission is clear: bring global issues into the spotlight no matter where he is. His activism isn't confined to cricket. In the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup, he made a bold appearance on the pitch, holding a message that read "Stop Butler," the phrase, a wordplay on Vladimir Putin and Adolf Hitler, aimed to highlight the atrocities of the war in the Ukraine. Whether it's cricket, football, or any major sporting event, Wayne Johnson knows how to choose his moment. And when he does, he attracts attention from millions watching at home to the media covering the event. At the MCG during the Boxing Day test, it was the same pattern. Johnson grabbed the spotlight at a packed stadium of 90,000 spectators, ensuring that his message, "Free Ukraine," was front and center. It's a dangerous game he's playing, no doubt, but Johnson's determination is hard to ignore. While we have seen pitch invaders before, like Jarvo, who became infamous for his harmless yet disruptive antics, Johnson's approach is different. His goal isn't just to disrupt play, it's to send a powerful political message. But the question remains, is it reckless, or is it a form of activism that's impossible to ignore? Some say it's a risk to life and safety, a dangerous example to set. Others argue that with the world's attention on these global sporting events, Johnson's method might just be the only way to spark meaningful conversations in a world often too distracted by the game. What's clear is that Wayne Johnson knows how to grab the world's attention. And wherever there's a stage, whether it's a World Cup final or the Boxing Day test, we can expect him to be right there, delivering his message loud and clear. Social media is already buzzing with mixed reactions. Some praise him for his courage, others criticize his disruptive methods. But one thing is certain, Wayne Johnson isn't going unnoticed. Is Wayne Johnson's method of activism a necessary push for global issues to be heard? Or is it a reckless distraction that risks public safety? Let us know what you think in the comments below. For now, one thing's for sure. Wherever there's a crowd, Wayne Johnson will be likely be making his message known. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more such stories and cricket updates.